Hey guys, I wanted to share with you some insights and new things that I've learned through an article I read called Technology Changing How Students Learn, Teachers Say. This survey was done because teachers were saying that their students' attention spans were shortening due to technology. The two people or places that conducted the survey were Pew Research Center and Common Sense Media. The question that was asked was, are teachers contributing to students' shortened attention span? This question was asked because teachers were wanting to know if them lowering their expectations and making assignments easier was adding to students not trying to increase their attention spans and was just adding overall to the regression of their attention. Scholars who studied the role of social media on society have yet to provide any evidence that student attention spans have shrunk due to technology. However, there was indirect evidence that constant use of technology can cause behavioral issues, affect brain development, and is due to heavy stimulation and quick shifts in attention. Teachers were involved in both of these surveys, and I thought it was interesting that 75% of 2,462 teachers surveyed stated that internet and search engines had mostly positive impacts on student research skills. I thought this was a great statistic, seeing how the teachers surveyed were younger and older, and all of them collectively basically were saying that it was a good thing. However, 90% said that digital technologies were creating a distracted generation with shortened attention spans. This was mostly where they were saying that apps, social media, things like that that they were seeing students use were distracting them more. Teachers stated that they would not lower expectations due to shortened attention spans, but would offer additional tutoring and help to students who needed it. So this was really neat through the article, and I agreed with these teachers. I thought that was great, that they shouldn't lower their expectations. They should still keep them high. But since they are seeing a problem, the solution was to add the additional support to students who are struggling. My final thoughts were that technology should be used in moderation, and every teacher and student needs to monitor their screen time. It's all about moderation. And the other thing was that using technology as a learning tool is important, but it needs to be used along with various other instructional strategies. It shouldn't be the main thing teaching students. The teacher still needs to be involved, and multiple strategies should be implemented so that all learning styles can be helped. Hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something. I really want to encourage you to look up this article for yourself and see what you can learn. Thank you.